V. Jesus. BFF'S. Kings and Queens. How y'all doing?
Sorry, we had some technical difficulties.
Yes, we did. We were trying to use the new system and it started acting up, and for some reason it didn't want to cooperate with us. So we ended up having to switch over to our phone. Sorry about that, but we're back. And you know, I haven't been feeling well, but Miss Vanilla, she insisted on not letting this night finish on us without us coming on, because today we celebrated 30 years of friendship.
Yes.
Right? So even though I'm not feeling 100%.
Thank you, my bestie, my sister.
I'm under the weather. She's like, we have to go on, Chocolate, because it's our 30 years anniversary today of being friends. And this girl, she would not give up. You hear me? So I was like, all right, Vanilla, where you want me to put? Me want you put on the blue and match my pink. I will have to go on and celebrate with 30 year anniversary. 50, right?
We're even 50.
With 30 years anniversary. Pull up the comments so I can see them, because I can't see them from here. How y'all doing,
Big up, Kings and Queens.
How y'all doing? Yes, I got back from vacation and I have a cold. Yes, I'm feeling better, but it was worse. I got a cold. Yeah, a bad cold. But not complaining. It was wonderful. It was worth it. It was so worth it. Turn the camera around. Not again, please.
Sorry, I'm trying to put in a comment.
I'm trying to do this with you. So
sorry.
All right. So yes, I hope you guys caught the little thing there, video clip with us. She put that together really quick. When I said, all right, Vanilla, she put that together really quick. Yes, because if I had to go back and find pictures of Vanilla and I, that thing would be for hours. So, yeah, I'm glad actually that I didn't have to go find pictures, because that would be, we would have to definitely.
And that was just a small. Like I could not put all the pictures for,
yes.
way too many.
Way too many pictures, but yes, we're coming from a long way, and it's not always a bed of roses. When you're friends, you go have your moment. Me and Vanilla argue like we say, when I sit down, you're perfect.
Nope.
But we always know how to communicate, and we always know from the get-go not to have outside influences on our friendships, because nobody's gonna know us better than we know each other. Mm-hmm. Yes? And I always tell Vanilla, well, I've said it before on the live, which may know not gonna happen, but if Vanilla and I come out here, it never gonna happen, but me just say that. Me don't want nobody pick my side. If me and Vanilla fall out, me don't want nobody pick my side and talk bad about my friend. Yes, you can say yes, Chocolate, and nod your head, but don't you class my friend, because me and her don't get along. Don't do it. Yes, don't.
As a husband, then they don't get involved in an argument.
No, me just talk about say, if me and you friendship for break up, and anyone will bring it to social media, me no want nobody take my side and class Vanilla. Don't do it. Just try to say, you know what, I need to find peace. Yeah, I need to make it up. Yeah,
I need to work it out.
Me don't want nobody class my friend.
Don't
yes.
do that. No.
Don't take my side.
No.
Remember this tonight. Yeah.
Yes.
Else I'm not gonna shame.
Yes. Yes.
I'm not gonna shame. Me have make sure I tell her.
You know, the husbands even know better. They don't get involved in our arguments. They say, no, sir. We're not saying nothing. Let's stay at it. The two want to deal with it.
Friendship definitely comes with test. Of course. Because you're not the two of this, you're not the same person. You're not exactly the same person. You think differently. You understand? So, and that's what proven a true and genuine friendship. When you have things that happen in your life and you know you have a friend you can count on, and vice versa. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. People try to break up our friendship so many times in trying to pit us against each other, but we always know that we would never let outside influence come in and try to tell us that Vanilla said this about me or Vanilla said that, because I know my friend, I know what she would say versus what she wouldn't say.
Right.
You understand? And if you can't tell me in front of her that she actually said what you think she said about me, then I don't want to hear it. So, and those are things that we have in our friendships that we hold, you know, near and dear to us. Yes, so that's how it goes. Yes, but Vanilla, it's 30 years of friendship. So shout you guys out.
30 years of sisterhood.
Sisterhood. And if I should go back in time and do it all over again, I would absolutely choose you as my best friend, because you're not just a best friend to me, you're a sister to me. And I say it in front of you and behind you, more so behind you, because I love to brag about how awesome you are behind you. Yeah, just know that you have a sister in me. Yes, and whatever you need, I'm here. Thank you for being such a great friend and support system in my life. I appreciate it.
Well, you know, Chocolate.
And I love you.
I love you too. You made me cry. You know, I have to say, Chocolate, you know, if I could rewind the time, I wouldn't choose or want anybody else to be my best friend, to be my sister. You've been there through the good, the bad, the ugly, the thick, the thin, you know, the ups, the downs. You know, we've gone through a lot together, and you know, I appreciate you. You know, when I gave birth to my kids, you were there. When I got married, you were there. You introduced me to my husband. So if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have met him. So, you know, you are a beautiful person inside and out. And I wish everybody could have a best friend like you, because you are very special. And I appreciate everything you've done for me. And sometimes I don't think I tell you enough, but I do appreciate you and I love you.
Thank you, V. Thank you. Yes, guys, and I want to play this for you, Vanilla. This is not no pretend for social media. Everybody that's watching us knows. That's one thing. I think some people forget that when they come on social media that there are actual people in real life that knows them. So my family will tell you this is no act for social media. No, we're no social media friends. We're friends in real life. You know, I've met Vanilla back in what, 1990. It was 1992 because I got married in
93.
It's 93?
Yeah, 93. February 1993.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes, it was. I knew it was after I got married.
Yep.
And I met Vanilla. And she just, when I met her in New Hampshire, and I've told the story over and over, especially the beginning of when we came on social media. I met her, she was a friend of my niece, and they used to go to school together. And in the I went to visit my sister in New Hampshire, And this girl used to come to the house in the morning, and she was just loud. I mean, that's before I even saw what she looked like. I'm like, this girl is so loud. Every morning she come up in here, and she just a chat on top of her voice. So annoying, you know? And then finally, I was in the kitchen one day, the first time I saw you. Yes.
You had on orange pants. I will never forget you had on orange pants. Yep.
Yeah.
You were cooking.
Right.
Yep.
And then when I met, you know, just talking to her and stuff like that. And then we, in my sister's home, we turned this room into like a beauty salon. So we have the dryers that you go on and everything like that. And my niece and I decided to experiment on Vanilla.
I was there guinea pig.
And I cut her hair, Vanilla, a long hair. I cut her hair all the way. Short, yes, short.
You were there. We'll post. I'm gonna post that video of what we tried to play. So you can see those back then. She chopped my hair off.
Chop it off.
Chop it off.
Chop it off. And you know, we just have this real this connection. We just started this. We just have this connection without even trying.
Yeah.
You know, and then I had to go back to New York, and Vanilla's like, I want to come to New York, because at that time Vanilla, she was going through some stuff with her family. And I called my mom and I said, Mom, I met this awesome girl. Can she come back to New York with me? And my mom, she's, you know, a sweet lady. Yeah. She said, yeah, sure. You know, I tell her all about Vanilla, her situation and stuff. And my mom is like, Vanilla coming like a part of my family. Like, you know, she was adopted into my family. My mom sent her to school and everything like that. So
she and I used to ride the train together.
Yeah. I took Vanilla to Jamaica multiple times. We went to Jamaica for 3 months straight. You know?
Had an open plane ticket for a year.
Yes. Yep. Vanilla fell in love with Jamaica, fell in love with the culture at first.
It wasn't so easy.
It wasn't so easy because she didn't understand.
And I cried.
The language, and she started crying, and I was just explaining to her how friendly people are when they call you Cherry, because they used to call her Cherry and White Girl.
And Whitey.
Whitey. Yeah, Whitey. So she thought it was something bad. I said, no, it's not anything bad. They love you. You know what I mean? And finally she learned the patois. And once she learned the patois, it was a wrap. Let me tell you. Wrap. It was over. Done. Yes.
I lost a job over going to Jamaica. I lost a job. I did. Yes. I was fired.
Vanilla tell them, so thank you wear a seat for American.
Lie.
That time when your man think of be a party. Vanilla never wants to come back.
They didn't want to leave.
Yes. So
You're
you know,
fired.
we had a lot of amazing memories. So much good outweigh whatever bad we had, you know, because in the beginning, of course, not understanding each other, we get in a lot of arguments and stuff like that. Yes. You know, Vanilla that cry and say, Chocolate, no one be my friend no more and stuff like, you know, with like a white girl thing. you know, yeah, so, but it's all good, you know. I can go on and on forever with memories of us. And let me tell you the other side of it. We had a lot of racism against us, our friendship, because a lot of people, you know, did not want Vanilla to be friends with a black girl. We get being prejudiced against, and numerous times, especially when we live in New Hampshire, because it's majority white there. So we got that. Yes, but we've learned that we can't let people dictate to us on who we should be friends with, who we should care for. At the end of the day, I don't look at her as anything other than a human being.
Exactly.
You know? So,
I never look at Chocolate and see color, you know? I mean, I saw her. as the person.
Yeah, and we've gotten it from folks my color too, you know. Not if I sit here and say Jamaican, I would be lying.
No.
I get it from Black Americans.
Yeah.
You know, thinking, why do you have a white girl as your best friend? I can only speak of my experience. So maybe it didn't happen with people who are watching me. But I can only speak of my experience and have had it where, because Vanilla and I had worked at places together.
Yeah.
And wherever there was like a majority black, they would have a problem with me having Vanilla as a best friend. You understand? So I can only speak of our experience. So we have had those. People think because she's white, that's the reason why she's my best friend. But I've had still have my best friends from Jamaica who are black and Jamaican like myself. I haven't let go off of my friends because Vanilla and I are best friends, you know. I still treat them the same way I treat Vanilla, and Vanilla have met my friends, and she have to, that's the thing with me, if you're in my life, whomever I love, and I know you have to treat them with respect, vice versa. You have to treat Vanilla with respect as well.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you have to love her the way that I love her, but you have to respect her if you're gonna be around me. You can't say because the color of her skin, you don't want to have anything to do with her. I don't deal with that because I believe people are human beings. If a white person does me something wrong, I hold that person accountable. I can't hold Vanilla accountable for something that she didn't do to me just because they have the same color skin tone,
Right.
you know? So that's how I do it. I love my black people the same. It's not because she white, then automatically me transform to white. Me not transform to white. Me will always be black. Me can love my black people and me can love white people, good white people who are good to me. Just that's how I live my life.
We don't,
Yes.
you know, I don't look at the color of people's skin.
I look at the color of people's skin. That's what makes the world beautiful.
Well,
because I would not want to walk around and see everybody looking like me. I think diversity makes the world beautiful. You know that I have friends, not best friends, but friends from Bosnia, friends who are Asian. I don't limit myself because I like to learn, I like to learn other people's culture, and that's the only way you can, you can expand your mind.
Well, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying I'm not prejudiced.
You don't have to be prejudiced to see color, because if I look at you and say I see a black person, I would be lying. So I have to see the color of your skin to identify you, to know that you're
Well,
white.
I understand that. I'm just saying I don't look at somebody and say, oh, because you're this color, I'm not going to get to know you. That's what I mean.
Okay, well, that makes more sense. But when people say I don't see the color of someone's skin,
That's what I meant.
that to me is just cliche, because you do see the color of a person's skin.
You do.
You know what I mean? But you don't
But
let that determine whether or not you're gonna talk to that person or love that person.
No.
Yes.
That's what I meant.
Yes. I got it. Good night, Cynthia. How you doing? I'm just now seeing.
It's frozen.
It's frozen.
Yeah.
Facebook is frozen. Yeah. So guys, I don't like anything to be all about me. I like to bring in something else. I know it's our anniversary night, but I need to update you guys on something. For the underwear, we're still gonna do the underwear giveaway. We have ordered, was it 70 or it was 70 underwears.
Yeah.
And when we opened the box because we got the box since last year, since the end of last year. We finally opened up the box. We counted all the underwears that we've received. Come to find out, we've only received 58 of those underwear. So Monday, I'm going to have to reach back out to the manufacturer to find out what went wrong with my order and to get the remaining balance of the underwear that was supposed to be on that order. As soon as we rectify this, then we're going to come on and do what we said we're going to do as far as give away some underwear. We also would like to give underwear away in hopes of somebody just starting like an underwear business as far as selling those, flipping them for themselves. That's the part we're trying to work out because we know there are people out there who want to come and trick us. So we're trying to figure out how we can do this the best way and stick to what we have promised, right? So that's what's going on with the underwear. They're very nice, yes. Very nice. They're very nice. We're excited about getting them, but we still want what we've paid for. And we paid for 70 of them, and we want all 70. When I pay my money for something, I want what I pay for. Yes, I want what I paid for. Yes, I'm not going to take the 50 something that was sent to me when I paid for 70. So I'm going to work it out. And then we're going to come on here, and you know we like to play games. We like to give away and make fun and have fun doing it, right? So we haven't forgotten about that. You hear me? I'm still a little bit stuffy, right? I know me chat now. Me know. Yeah, me know me chat now. Well, you have to tell me, but me know me chat now. Maybe that's why I get sick. I'm too chatty. Yes. So, do you have anything you want to say, Vanilla? Since me know me a parrot, hold on.
You know, I want to tell a little story. I remember a time when Chocolate and I went to Jamaica for Christmas and into New Year's. And when New Year's came along, I think this is probably either my first or my second time going to Jamaica. So we had like, I always wanted to experience what a Jamaica Christmas and, you know, New Year's would be. But we had, we were playing music and stuff like that, and, you know, we were listening to, we had gone to a party, and we threw our shoes up in the air, and go, no shoes this year. Do you remember that, Chocolate? No shoes this year, and we just had a great time. You know, Chocolate is just so down to earth and humble, and it's, you know, no matter what she has, she doesn't make other people feel inferior or less than because they might not have what she has, or they might not be in the same position she is. And I just love her humbleness.
Thank you, Vanilla. Vanilla, me end up a boss if you do no more of this talk about me. Talk something else. Just
well, it's about our friendship. Hello.
Poofy, and become my head swell up under it. You understand? Yeah. So talk something else. All right. How y'all doing out there? We just been chatting, and we now see no comments. Me put no comments.
Keep freezing. I have to keep coming out and going back in.
Yes, Facebook is gonna be freezing because we're playing copyrighted music. Yes. And if I should ever go away. Alright, let me pick up some people. Thank you, Donna Note, for the stars. got top talk. But my office said this once, remember, because I just remember. When we did the celebration for our auntie, we weren't paying attention to the comments on YouTube or on Facebook because we were using that new system. So we were trying to focus on how to navigate the system, right? So we weren't ignoring you guys. Nobody said we were. The reason why I brought this up is because we have never received, what are they called?
Super chat.
Super chat before. And when we got off, we noticed that folks had sent us super chat. So we want to just say thank you so very much because and stars. We did not come on with any intention of getting anything. A matter of fact, we had already said that the music were going to be copyrighted. So we knew that, you know, the monetization was out the door for that day, which we were willing to just do. So we were actually shocked when we got off and see people had sent us super chats
and stars.
And stars. So for everyone that sent us stars and super chats, thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate it.
We do.
We weren't trying to be ungrateful. We just did not see them until we got off. Because we weren't paying attention. We were trying not to mess up, miss any of the calls, and try to...
And make sure that we were maneuvering around in the system.
Right, in the system.
Correctly,
because that was our first time using it. So, please, accept our apologies. And we are so grateful because you didn't have to. We weren't expecting any of that. So thank you very much. Thank you. Yes.
Much appreciated.
All right, you can continue. Coming from my heart. All right. Sharon, how you doing, Sharon? Elaine Williams, how you doing? Sandy, how you doing tonight? Miss Laura, guys. Gibson, how you doing, Queen? How y'all doing? Giovanni, how you doing? Are you okay?
Oh, what the heck?
Well, Vanilla decided to stop the music.
I'm trying to fix it.
Vanilla, I told you, see?
I'm
See
sorry.
why I didn't want to do this anniversary thing?
Oh.
Yes, because I knew you were just going to mess up everything, Vanilla. And we're going to have to come on here and argue. And then you're going to have to take sides. You understand? I mean, no, everybody ever take my side, you know, Vanilla. Because me now go war with you if you lose. You understand?
Oh, really?
So, if I make up something about you tonight, you know?
You're going to make up something about me? So you do me?
Of course, I see what me do.
Right.
I'm doing good, ladies. It's 5:09.
Here's the story.
What? Nobody didn't ask you for no story.
I'm doing good,
Hold on.
ladies. It's 5:09 a.m. in the morning, UK time. I haven't slept yet.
The 9-year-old
Yes, you're
making
up. You are up at 5:09 in the morning. That sounds like me. I'm such a night owl. Only when I'm not feeling well.
history
I go to
all
bed.
her own.
I go to
Kiana
bed.
Rose Aquilari.
Vanilla, you know it's playing out here on the speaker. Yes. Why make you bad? I want to come for Vanilla now, please. Yeah. Chef make we get 5 pound per week 30th anniversary. No, sir. Vanilla, please come with the music.
I'm trying.
What did you do to it? It was playing fine.
Give me 1 second.
And that's what I have to deal with. And down the top about me miserable. And them things that make me
You
miserable.
hear anybody say that?
Them say me miserable.
When? Who said that?
Me not gonna tell you who. Yes, watch Auntie and then you. Oh, Stacy Campbell, how you doing?
Stacy, hey,
How you doing, Stacy? Ping, ping, big up yourself.
Ping, ping, big up.
Yes, ping, ping. On my side, you have to go company, no ping, pong, ping, ping.
No, man, on my side, you have to come on,
Ping,
ping,
ping.
ping. My
Me
side,
and I
ping,
go
ping.
war on the anniversary night, yeah. And on my
Ping,
side,
ping.
you have to come on ping, ping.
Ping,
Understand? Yes, ping, ping. Let me tell you why on my side you have to pick. Remember, it's where we are Jamaican, you understand? You can't pick not American over me. Yes.
No,
Because
no,
if you ever tell her what she do me one
No,
time.
no,
If you ever tell her what she do me one
She's
time.
Americanized now.
Me not Americanized.
She is.
Me
Stacey
not
is
Americanized.
Americanized.
Oh, Stacey is
Yes.
Americanized. It no matter. When she come from Jamaica, she's will always be a Jamaican. You
Yes, she's
understand?
Americanized
So,
now.
maybe tell her what she want. She do to she want. Do to me. Huh? Me I make up something for her. But believe. Me have to win the war. Yeah. Girl try to overdose me. Try to put pill in my tea.
Really?
Yes.
Really? You see, she doesn't even fabricate something like small. She goes like drastic with her fabrication.
Yeah.
What kind of thing is that?
Just because she can put bird on her head and she feel like some me to put bird on my head for make bird doo-doo in my ear, and because I never do that, because I tell her say if me didn't want bird to sit down on my head, me to make drunk sit down on my head long time, because we have one heap of drunk at Jamaica. You understand? So why if I come go Europe, go make birds sit down and in my head? Why?
Why not?
Why me need bird to sit down on my shoulder? Why me need bird to fly and pitch in my hand?
Why not?
Look how long we have birds in Jamaica. We have blackbird, we have pigeon, yeah, we have garling down there. All kind of bird. And if you left for me bird them, for me Jamaican bird them, right? And come choose bird at Europe, After Europe bird no better than for me bird them. And because me never do that, the girl want to put stuff in my tea.
I think that's quite the fabrication there of chocolate.
Then believe me, no.
No, they really don't.
Then believe.
They're just trying to make you feel okay.
Yes. Every little thing she say, everything cute to them. You understand? Everything cute. Then got Jamaica, I see like a mongrel them. Oh, them so cute. Oh my God, look at that nice like a puppy. And I rub all the puppy back. It go, me say, your backside, yeah? You know what I mean?
You hear that?
Look a mongrel them. Bring her to Jamaica, you look a mongrel them, and you know them smell bad. Because I don't like somebody put them, go bathe them, soak them up and rinse them off, you know what I mean? And shampoo them. Them pink. Look a mongrel them pink. And you know what I mean? And them annoying. You know, because them love the bark and they not bite. You understand? Oh my God, he's so cute. And I'm like, cute? What cute about him? Huh? Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. I want to take him back home. So take him down, go along with him. Go along with him. You know what I'm saying? Me, I tell him about the things I want me to endure over the years. You understand? Uno put up with them. But me put up with them. Yeah. And me still stay in this friendship for 30 years. You understand me? Yes. Christmas time. Christmas time. And wrap gift. You know, sir, where me come from, I just want like an outfit for wear to grand market. And for my Christmas gift. I don't used to know bag of present. You understand? So, when I come here now, you know, me just roll up the thing, slap on the tape on it, and drop it on that tree. No. Not with this one. The lines have to be perfect. You understand? When she done wrap up a gift, it look like you not even want to open it. When me put all that time in it for, and I'm going to tear off the paper off of it. You understand? Why?
Anything wrong with that?
Why?
Anything
You
wrong with
understand?
that?
them things that me have to endure.
When you look on TV, you don't see how the gifts are.
But me not
wrapped.
on
That's how they're
TV.
supposed to be.
Me not on TV. You understand?
That's all the gifts are supposed to be.
Why me have to make sure it line up and neat and it pour have to full and be. It have to be, oh my God, like you don't want to touch it after she done wrap it, you know? You understand? No, you don't want to touch it. And them things that me have to deal with as a Jamaican, whenever they used to, no gift. Galanga Grand Market, my gift is a nice Christmas dinner. You understand? Yes, a nice Christmas dinner. Maybe have rice and peas and chicken and curry goat. You might get 1 2 meat. You understand? A Christmas, one bottle of soda. Women have to share with nobody. Yeah. You understand? So, we come here now. I can't afford to buy one like a gift. My God, just take a gift now. Why me have to go extra mile and make sure say me have to buy nice. And me can't buy no cheap wrapping paper. It have to thick. You know what I mean? Thick and full. It take forever for tear. Because it's damn thick. Why me have to put them the thick paper that can give when people are going to rip it off and dash away paper? Tell me. And them
Why not?
Like, me have to go show.
Why not?
Having her as a friend.
Why not?
You understand me?
That's how it's supposed to go.
Let me tell you one secret. When we did come here, in the summertime, you know, because you're going to wear shorts and your legs are going to show. Then you have to keep them ear free, you know what I mean? But in the winter time, when you're going to wear pants and this and that, nobody knows see your legs. Having she as a friend for all these years, I have to make sure my legs stay smooth at all times. And them sitting here, she brought me in. You understand? Me lost my way.
You didn't see the arm, no.
Lost my way as a Jamaican, having her as a friend. You understand me? Yes. Lost my way.
Then tell you forget over it.
Lost my way. I want when we're done tonight, I'm going to pray for me and feel sorry for me. For all me have to endure.
Then say that not take no sides.
Yes. Oh, I got a doctor. Doctor prescribe a pill. Or if my head hurt me, I go and I buy a painkiller. I never used to have to go up on Google and go research what the side effects. Make sure I go in and research it with her as a friend. And them things that I end up a do. Or if I don't do it, she'll go do it for me. And them things that me under.
So you think, so wait a minute. So you think more on something for happen to you?
Well, no, yeah, I'm to me when me there in Jamaica, I used to take.
But you never take all that pill.
When me there in Jamaica, I used to take.
No.
Never happened to me.
No. When you there in Jamaica, you drink bush tea, this a kind of tea, that the kind of tea, one next kind of tea.
Me just tell them about the bandage.
Pure bush. I know pill. You get sick, what you do?
When
then
we
go
there in
then go
Jamaica,
get something.
me used to take Panadol.
Natural things.
And Fensic. You understand? And nothing never happened to me. Yeah? Nothing. Yeah. Poor baby, cheer up. Me just tell you about the bandage. You understand? Me could have get away with a whole cornfield and ear from my legs. Till Mrs. Summer I come and me decide. So me I go creep it off. You know?
See? That's what friends are for. Thank you,
That's
Shirley.
what friends are for.
Thank you, Shirley.
Bandage, you understand?
Thank you, Shirley. That's what friends are for.
Bandage. You understand? Bandage. Yes! I could have tell them more about it. That's sorry for me. Yes. But that's sorry for me.
Here you go.
You understand?
I got it back.
Peer. Yeah, we should go talk about peer bush me drink down there. You don't think so me have peel in my country?
I didn't say that.
But peer bush me used to drink.
A pure bush you used to drink.
Not because I come from country where you know. You understand?
Pure bush.
I don't know peer bush. Me used to take Panadol and Fensic. You understand? And my mother used to give me the little pop thing for when I have worm.
The
You
pep
understand?
thing? You
It
didn't
called she give me wash out before I go back to school. Yeah, me have to drink, me don't remember what name. You understand? A black. A liquid, a black in a one bottle. And then the thing she give me for drink in a one pack. I think you name what? What name? Tyrax? Something like that. But if me have worm, anything need to clean out, it clean out. You understand? Those are things that we used to from Jamaica. And I never did ask my mother to make me read the
So you never
of it
drink
to
Sarah
see if
CC?
anything.
You never drink Sarah CC?
Me drink all of them then.
All
But
right.
I tell.
All right. Me never say you didn't have nothing else. But just say you don't have the amount of pills like they do up here.
So I try to protect me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I mean, them obsessed with pharmaceuticals up here. So I have to make sure you're all right. And you don't try and mix things that shouldn't go together.
Okay, Miss Vandana, we could go on and on about your little thing. You understand? You look at things them where you have me at a bandage with. But me not gonna make them not like you, you understand? Oh, bitters are herb. That's why Patricia said.
Herb tea.
Bitters are herb. Yes. One thing, man, when you Tyrax in him. I don't remember what name. But it's in a pack. And then one bitter sitting in a one bottle. Right? And a black. And you have to drink that. Yeah? I don't remember. There's a lot to tell about all these here. If me ever tell you, trust me.
Me could I tell you?
You tell them. You tell them. Tell them what you know about me. Tell them about me.
No.
Tell them about me, what me do to you. Me I tell them what you do to me. You understand? Yeah. You just make me feel aware when you look on in a winter time and see hair from my legs and be like, why do you have hair on your legs? You understand? Like if it just be smooth all the time. So that time I have my husband up here, Vanilla. So why you have to push me into that lifestyle? You understand? Why?
Because.
You understand? I still have your up feet. Yeah.
But are you still doing
Tyrax off a wormhole. See what they tell you? Yes, Tyrax up. Tyrax. Make it Tyrax. Yeah. Tyrax. Armpits. Well, armpits here. Why me can't have ear on my armpits?
So you lift up your arm, you want everybody to see, no fear?
But when me there at Jamaica,
coulda
I used to
clipped it
have
down.
it on here.
You could have clipped it down.
You understand?
You don't have to shave it.
Yeah, clip it down. Yes, and then I'm not shoot up on the face at me. No, not go from me. Yeah. Gone with them. Sulfur bitter. Yes. I just tell them I got you for now. I know say people shave them armpit. I know nobody go spread nothing from me. Say, oh, chocolate. I know some people shave them armpit. Yes, I didn't know. I just didn't want do it back in them time. You understand me? I just never want do it. But they just too lazy to do it. You understand? But they ready to do it. But she pushed me. She forced me. You understand? Yeah.
She survived though, didn't
Yeah.
she? She survived, right? Eh? She not
I
survived.
say one do it back then.
Survived.
You understand? But they just lazy.
She will survive.
You understand? Me want people me ready to do it. But the one vanilla force me. Yeah.
You're not dead.
No, I'm not dead. Not
All
yet.
right. All right.
Oh, okay.
You haven't been dead 30 years now. You still to kill you, so you're good.
Thank you guys for
Yeah.
sitting in and listening
You
to
see my protector.
foolishness, you understand? Yeah.
30 years.
Sulfur bitters for washout. Yes. You wanted to turn Rasta out there. Yes! Well, I could have breed it. You understand? That time in there, ready. Whenever they're ready. But they used to it under my armpits. Come in, have you under my armpits when me there in Jamaica and nobody lay screw on me. You know? I come a 4 in and people. Me is the people. Then they get the chance to scoop on me. Yeah. Then they get the chance to scoop on me. Yeah. But that's what my ear said. I mean, a scoop on me. Yeah. Yeah. Turn Rasta. Yes, you survived chocolate. Alright, Vanilla, you find what you want?
Oh, you don't want me to play the other one that was playing?
No, you said you were gonna play something. So
Okay. All right.
What do you got? Vanilla says she have a song she wanna play for me. Yeah? Alright. I need to go take my medicine. Yeah. What you not kill you make what not kill you make you stronger. Yeah, me just tell you now. No. You think me strong? If me stronger, me would get sick. Oh God. Yes, you survived. I did. Alright, Miss Vanilla, want to play a song?
Hold on. I have to connect to that. Is it connected?
Vanilla, I think you got it together. I can't do this with you.
How can I hear anything on it?
I don't know, Vanilla.
I just turned it on.
Okay.
You turned it off.
I'm trying to help you out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't think this anniversary thing. See? What you planned. A workout for you. Yeah? Alright, let's see now.
Oh, the volume.
Oh, the volume down. Oh. You can turn up on that, you know.
I had turned it up, but it still wasn't doing it.
Alright, is it playing now? Play it now. There we go.
Alright, here you go, Chocolate. This is my dedication. I'm dedicating this one to you.
Okay, Vanilla. Thank you, Gillette. It is priceless.
Thank you, Gillette.
Because I'm the youngest of all my sisters, all my siblings. So to have someone that we're close in age, it's like a sister by age, you know? And we have so much fun. So much fun. Yeah?
Always tomorrow. Lean on me
Hey.
when you're not strong.
Don't cry now, Charmaine. Who's crying?
I'll help you carry on.
It won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Swallow your pride if I have things you need to borrow. Thank you, Shirley.
No one can feel.
You know, say, I'm gonna go white friend when we are celebrating 30 years of friendship. And tell me the truth, which Jamaican you know when I do this?
Just call
You see?
On the chocolate.
You see?
When you
What is something I talk about? Yeah.
we all need
And like, nobody now study how much years
lean on.
if you got Tony in a party.
right
What is something I talk about? That I remember when kind of have conversation. I 30 years now, me and she a friend, you know. But then I have a party, but you see from the friend, she want to have a party about it.
When you're not strong, I ain't your friend.
Hey,
I'll help you
carry on. And believe me, they get the 30 years gift to you know.
It won't be
Remember me tell you. Yes.
gonna need
Which part of Vanilla?
somebody to lean
Tell me. Which part? I tell you.
on the
Oh,
chocolate.
yes, when you need.
Your hand.
Oh, we all need somebody to lean on.
I just
Might have a problem.
That you understand. We all need somebody to lean on.
if there is a load
Yeah.
we're still our friends. Can
Yeah.
I tell you?
Yeah, of course.
Oh God. Oh, thank you, Ophelia. Thank you so much. All right, this is for you, Vanilla. All right, because one memory I have of Vanilla will always stick with me. Never forget it, and because it involves money, right?
Okay.
But it's just, you know, when you never expect nothing like that from anybody. Remember when time they get me surgery, when time they remove my cancer, and you came all the way down from New Hampshire to visit me. And people, let me tell you, even though the time off that I had from my job at that time, it was paid because I was out on for the surgery, so I was getting paid anyways. And Vanilla make her way down here. And Mr. Vanilla, it's not no major surgery, it's minor surgery. And Vanilla came down, and every time I forget my medicine, Vanilla set her alarm, and every time the alarm go off, Vanilla come in my room, knock on the door, forgive me, the medicine. That's not the part that got me. But the part that got me was when Vanilla was leaving. You know, Vanilla checked on me and say her goodbye and everything. Then me there in my room and get up, you know, because I didn't sit to when me lay down in a bed all day or anything like that. So I get up and I make my bed. I lift up my pillow. I don't know when Vanilla get a chance to sneak in my room and put that envelope under my pillow. But Vanilla put an envelope under my pillow because Vanilla keep asking me if I get paid for being out and if I'm good and alright. And I keep telling her, yes, I get paid for time off for me from work. But for some reason, Vanilla, I don't know why, Vanilla just must not believe. Or she want to make sure, say, me good with money. When I make up my bed now and look under and lift up my pillow, I see an envelope. A Vanilla back then time the $800 whole heap of money. Vanilla left me $800 in that envelope. And said, with a note, and said, no, say you get paid. But I just want to make sure you're alright. I know Mike will take care of you, but I just want to make sure you're good. I will never forget that. Because I never did expect that. And I will never, and so much other things that Vanilla have done for me. Like, you know, when I see, when we come on live, Vanilla and I go get one water and come. She go get two, and I just saw she stay. Amazing person. Amazing. Nobody say nothing about me. Because if you say nothing about me, Vanilla automatically not gonna like you. Yes.
Very true.
I love you.
Love you, girl.
I got so much to say, but in the least most simple way, I love you.
I have so much to share and so to show
You that I care, I thank you.
I just want to say
Thank you for the many things you've done, for having faith,
in me.
always a cheer for me,
Anyone
always a word that letter for me.
who would have
Vice versa,
bad
vice versa.
things to say. And
Always
try to
a
tear
say
me down.
not gonna look nice and have on clothes them to dress up like me.
I have so much
Me
to
not dress up.
just to
I'm vanilla. They have to beg her. The day she go down to auntie to wear what she wear. Beg her. Me say make alright. You know just a t-shirt and jeans. Wear your little jumper. And now after she need some badass outfit that she could have wear. I said don't wear a little jumper. Yeah, you don't think me too. I said no, you're alright. She would have never wear her clothes than what you bring down there. All the beg her. Because I wouldn't care. I wouldn't care. But she just feel for me. Yes. And I just want to thank you for the many things you've done.
Wanna say thank you for the many things you've done. Da 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 da.
Yes.
Thank you for the many things you've done. You've been good to me, and I
You have something else I want to play for me.
stood up like the strongest tree. Thank you for the many things you've done.
Yes. Yes, man, she is such an encouraging person. Yes. Yes. One time, Vanilla, back in the days, Vanilla used to work at a job agency. And as soon as Vanilla started working at a job agency where she can get job for people, we have a job. Yes.
I won't sin, my best friend. I want him to get it firsthand.
Thank you for the many things you've done. And if anybody may know, Vanilla got else them to a social skill.
You've been good to me, and I
Thank you for the many things you've done.
you brought me so much joy.
Thank you for the many things you've done.
I know the Lord was a sister boy.
Whenever I'm missing the type of friend when no say like, you know, when we bring Vanilla to Jamaica, they were like guys when we know they just want to talk to her to end up coming over here. And believe me, I was that roadblock when I'm have to pass through. And then now pass through. Yes, they're not passing through. And no, me not make nobody use her. Friends don't sit her, whether you have family or relatives. I mean, no, say you not really care about my friend, me I tell her. Me now make on them use her to come here. Yeah, straight up. Straight up. Yes, you have to love her and really care for her. And that's, and Vanilla can tell you, say, me tell her. When people are come on to her, what I know say, them intention wasn't pure.
Wasn't what
good.
they said.
Yes, me tell her. It's when either she take it, but me not gonna be friend when no, and not tell her. Yes, I'm sit down there and make, because I know them longer, or I know them before me make Vanilla, me go sit down and know so them want just use her to come to the United States. No, me not do that. No.
You tell me.
Yes. Yes. So, another last song because I need to take my medicine.
Yeah. All right. You ready?
Yes.
I don't know, Chocolate. You played all these songs. You played the first one, which everybody knows. What was it? That's what friends are for?
Yes.
All right. Then you play this one. Thank you for the many things you've done. I don't know. I played Lean on Me.
Right.
I don't know all them big songs. They like you. I don't know music like you.
Lean on Me was good though. Yeah.
I don't know music like you. So I have a special song for you. You have to just listen to the words, okay?
Yes.
Listen keenly to the words.
All right.
All right.
Jeez. Go ahead.
Friends are special, so important, they make the world go round. We like helping one another in school or on the playground. Friends are there to help each other when one is feeling sad. Being friends
are
very special. Be a friend and you'll be glad. Friends are special, so important,
they make the world go round.
we like helping one another.
In school or on the playground.
Friends are there to help each other when one is feeling sad. Being
Barney!
friends is very special. Be a friend and you'll be glad. Being friends is
So what me tell you?
very special. Be a friend and you'll
And
be
then me
glad.
forget you.
Oh boy.
Yay! Go Barney!
Wow, vanilla. Cocoa melon too?
I have one if you want.
No, I don't want your cocoa melon. Or no come for vanilla, or no come for contact vanilla. Anyone that don't want vanilla, contact vanilla.
The more we get together.
Because vanilla part. Who play Barney? I don't know how old me is. Who play Barney for me at 48 years old? Vanilla. Barney? No.
What's wrong with Barney?
No.
Barney a big tune.
Me can't bother with you now. You don't come for vanilla. You don't see what I talk about.
Who don't know Barney? You don't know Barney?
But Barney, you couldn't
Barney!
find nothing? Barney.
Yes! Me don't know big music like you.
So,
Me know Barney.
I can't find it.
My kids love Barney when they were little. Me know Barney.
I cannot run.
Yes. So me play Barney.
I don't see what me I forgot you.
Barney have friendship songs. Barney has a song. Barney has a song for everything. So I play Barney.
Jesus, you don't come for vanilla. Anybody want vanilla for them friends for next 30 years? Come get her. Yes. Big tune, what nation? You're just as bad. Eh? Big tune, man. After me never used to listen to Barney.
Barney. Everybody knows Barney. The big purple dinosaur.
Okay, well, me gonna sing one song to you then. Since you played Barney for me, me gonna sing one song to you.
All right.
Alright?
Yeah.
There's a brown girl in the ring. Cha-la-la-la-la. There's a brown... them me used to. There's a brown girl in the ring. Cha-la-la-la-la. A brown girl in the ring. Cha-la-la-la-la. Cause she look like a sugar in a plum, plum, plum. And then you show me
Is that
your
about
motion.
friends?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Back in my days, it's about friends. Right, people? Not that way. We're and ring game, about friends. Right? And then you show me your motion. Cha-la-la-la-la. Then you show me your motion. Cha-la-la-la-la. Show me your motion. Cha-la-la-la-la. Cause she looks like a sugar in a plum. Plum, plum. Uh-huh.
Plum Plum.
In a plum plum, yes.
That's a friendship song.
It is a friendship song. We play that when we used to play a ring game. Don't people? The friendship song.
Then say a Dolly Hole's time.
No, on a dolly house. No. A friendship. Right? When we used to play with a friendship. Eh? When I used to watch the Barney. A filmy thing. She play Barney from her childhood thing.
I know from my childhood. I'm from a picnic them childhood.
You're picking it, so where you play for me from?
Cause that's a song I know about friends.
When me think say you don't play something from your childhood for me.
No.
So me I give back something from my childhood for you.
No. I used to hear that song.
Vanilla's having a party, peeny weeny pon you, and this is the way she whiny pon you. Yes. Me I give back some for me pick
It
this
wasn't.
years.
It wasn't when I was a picnic. It was when my kids were a child.
Long time, gal, me never see you. Come make me wheel and turn. And it's a long time, gal, me never see you. Come make we what? Come make we wheel and turn. We wheel and turn. Peel and John Cross, sit up in that, me no know no more. You gear a little bit of me one. You're going to play Barney for me, and I'm going to bring in for me stuff. Yeah. Me didn't watch no Barney or nothing like them there. When me used to play a ring game. Alright? I went upon a building. I saw an old lady cooking. I asked her for a piece of chicken. She said, me must keep her like a lady. She said, me must keep her like a lady. Just because me can't keep her like a lady. She said, me must walk like a lady. She said, me must talk like a lady. Just because me can't talk like a lady. She said, me must shiver. You need to learn off the shiver.
Hold on. I got another song for you.
Me no want
Since you give me so much songs, I need to give you another one back.
No, me no want anymore.
Yes.
You need to learn how to shiver like a lady. Me no want to come. No. She said me must shiver like a lady. Just because me must shiver like a lady. She said me must whine like a lady. She said me must whine like a lady. Just because me can't whine like a lady. Yes. No psycho people. No psycho. Why do I laugh? No psycho. A psycho.
Go on, Miss Lou.
Yeah, a psycho. Not that we used to play when I pick me. We didn't watch nothing. And I used to play a ring game. Right? When I used to play a ring game. Huh? Me play a ring game. Yeah.
What's that have to do with friends?
Because you play for your pick me center, and it's about friendship. Me and my friend them, I like a friend them all on, and this is what we play. You understand? Yeah. Like you're going to the ring now, and you know, walk around the ring, Vanilla, but you have to whine. Vanilla is having a party, peely-weely upon you. And this is the way she whining.
Okay,
whining upon you.
I got one. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy.
The all fall down. Okay, alright. But so when I like fall down when we're picnic in Jamaica, because we don't like sing about falling down, you understand? Because we're back with two and just fall down. So when I like sing about falling down, we like sing peeny weeny per year, you understand?
Peeny?
Yeah, peeny weeny.
What's a peeny weeny?
Then I want to show you. You have to stand up for me show you. You know what I mean? Yeah, stand up. Show off a peeny. Peeny. Alright. Show off a peeny. Now come with cocoa melon in this. Now show off a peeny. Alright. So you have to pretend say this is a person. The chair is a person. Right?
Okay.
You have to pretend say the counter is a person.
Oh.
Alright, me's definitely a person, but this, the bar stool is a person too.
Oh.
So you're in the middle, come in the middle. But you have to go, you have to kind of skip around it. You have to skip around it.
Oh, I have to skip around.
Yeah, and you're perfect feet because you're a brown girl, right?
Okay.
Yes. So you just take your time and just skip around. There's a brown girl in the ring, cha la 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 la. A brown girl. You go too fast. You have to, we do everything with rhythm. So listen
I'm
to
trying the circles, not really.
Okay, yes. There's a brown girl in the ring. Cha la 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 la. A brown girl in the ring. Cha la 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 la. And she look like a sugar in a plum. Plum plum. Show me your motion. So you have to show me your motion. Like, then you show me your motion. Cha la 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 la. You pick somebody and go in front of somebody. Show me your motion. Cha la 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 la. You show me your motion. Cha la 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 la. Cause she looks like a sugar in a plum. Plum plum. Yes. But another one that I like for you. I like the peeny weeny one. I think you will like that better.
Peeny weeny?
Yeah, peeny weeny.
What is a peeny weeny?
Alright, so still I pretend that the bar stool is a person, the counter is a person, me definitely is a person, the bar stool is a person. We're going to have one imaginary person right behind you, right? Okay. So you always have some little cute boy play a ring game with me. Where every little girl want to pick the little boy there. You understand? Or you want to pick your little friend. You know, your best friend. Right? So the goal is to make sure wherever you start, you land up on your friend. Or land up on a little cute boy. So do the peeny weeny part. Yeah?
Okay.
The whiny part. Whiny part. That's the part. Yeah, whiny part. So you have to move from this person. So you have to just say, it all go like this. Alright? Chocolate's having a party, peeny weeny upon you, and this is the way, you have to jump, you have to kind of jump. And this is the way she whining, I cute boy there, yes or no? Whining upon you. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. Ah, go on now, Vanilla.
Alright.
Make us see what I'm going. Alright.
That's
Una see? Una see?
Yeah, you're good.
Let me see. Alright. Hold on. Alright. Una about to say me I try to step up. May I teach my friend something from my childhood. Alright? Yeah. And that me I do. It's keep shiny. Alright. Vanilla is having a party. Peeny weeny upon you. No, you have to move.
Okay.
Move from that person and you want to come on. Whine upon the person where you want to go in next.
Alright.
Right, yeah. Vanilla is having a party, peeny weeny upon you, and this is the way she whiny upon you. Yes, Vanilla, you got it. Yes, you got it. Something from the childhood. There you go. You got it, man. You got it. Yes, man. Whoo. Teach her something. She got it. She got it. Don't people? She got it. Let me see. I mean, what am I say? If I laugh, I pop. Not laugh, Jackie. You know she got it. Next time we're going to try to do it out a door. Or do it in a bigger space and have some people hold on. I want everybody will join with. Eh?
Put my hands on the hips.
Yeah, oh, she missed the part that's true.
Well, next time.
Yeah, next time.
Next time.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. But my teacher, you know what I mean? You have to teach
learn
your friend.
something.
You learn
A
something.
little something.
Get that set. No, what do you remember then? You got to ring game there.
That's what I'm saying. What a piece of shit me get myself in on.
No, you have to teach her stuff from a childhood. You know what I mean? She can't just want to push on for her like a bojo thing them for me. Or like a Barney and them people there. I mean, no. And who make feel we ring game them? And we make them up, don't? Because nobody not really write them. Or they not really come on TV. And we just make up them there. And we make them up, man. Because when we all play Dandy Shandy, we just stuff to empty juice box. You understand? That no one to teach you to play one at a time, Vanilla. And nothing me ain't get fit to really teach you. You see plan? Because when you go to Jamaica, you want to do it like you look a beach thing, them and party thing. You don't really want to take no interest in learning the things them when we grow up on. Like you picnic. And I feel like I right time now to teach you them before you get any old and you born them now. Not too strong. You understand? I
know them strong now.
Me feel like them strong now, yeah. Them still strong.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You born them still strong, so I need to make you learn them things there. Yeah. You need to learn them things there. You need to see why me so tough, why me grow up so tough. You understand? Yes. You need to know them things that make me go out in a road. I'm going to lock way up in a neighborhood, so we have to go and park. Yeah, and I could get 2 juice boxes. No, one we just need 1 juice box. Stuff that and play sightings. You understand? You might go black and blue, but it's going to be worth it. Yes.
It's going to be worth it.
Yeah, it's going to be worth it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's going to be worth it.
All right.
Nothing you learn after 30 years. Yeah, but she learn all like things. Because you know, so when you're young, you want to go like you're a big man. You understand? But you're a big man now, so you don't mind. Teach her some things from when you're a picnic. When you're a picnic, I'm need to teach her.
I play hopscotch.
You didn't want
I
to
know
teach her
hopscotch. I play hopscotch.
You want to go dance. You know what I mean? Yes, you want to go dance.
Play hopscotch.
Hopscotch.
We do hopscotch up
She
here.
do hopscotch up here.
Yep. We do hula hoop up here.
Go on teach her things that what she know. Do up here.
Yeah, we do
Because
hopscotch.
I'm sure if them play dandy shandy out with some like a softball. You understand?
Is that like where you have to throw a ball or something?
Dodgeball.
They call it dodgeball.
Yeah, but we want to show you feel we at the dodgeball. Because when I play dodgeball, we play dodge box. You understand? Because it's a juice box. I'm going to come your way. You understand? Stuff. with some
Well, I
stuff.
think maybe I might rather have a box coming at me that's stuffed versus that big old hard rubber ball.
Okay, I'm glad you want a box to come your way. When I'm not proud of Vanilla, she want a box, the stuff box to come our way. She would prefer that. Than the one? A ball.
I said the big hard rubber ball.
The big hard rubber ball. Me glad for that, you say people, me glad. Me can't wait for show you how to play. When summer come, we're going to go up at the park.
All
Remind
right.
me.
Sure,
Yeah,
I'll remind you.
All right?
I got it.
Yeah, we're going to teach you that. She want the box, people. She want the box. The stuff box. The stuffed juice box. Uh-huh. We're going to stuff it really nice and teach her.
Yeah, man, me know if I skip too.
Yeah.
Jump rope too.
And skip. Yes, we're going to teach
Jump
her.
rope too.
Yeah, what?
You have to be careful with the skipping.
Yes, people. Thank you guys so much
Thank
for
you, guys.
joining us tonight. We know it's late for you guys. I'm sorry to be on. It's so late, but to be honest, we didn't feel that good during the daytime earlier. So, I feel much better. I still need to
I
get
had to
my
work
medicine.
hard to get chocolate to come
Yes,
on.
because I
You
didn't
don't want to
feel
come
good.
on.
I didn't feel good.
No. didn't
But
feel good.
big up on yourself. I hope we at least we're gonna laugh. One that says, here we go around the ring, and if you see her, tell her you love her, and she can do the 20. Yes, Janetta, remember that? Yes, because she can do the 24 boxes. Oh God, I'll never teach you, Vanilla. Yes, one that said, here we go around the ring, and if you see her tell her you love her, because she can do the 24 boxes up and down. I'm going to teach you the one that to Vanilla next time. I'm going to get a whole bunch of them together and really do a class with you, show you, introduce you to some of my childhood things.
Okay.
You understand?
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
And you go start me up and play Barney.
I didn't start you up with nothing playing from your childhood. I played it from my child's childhood.
Okay, well.
When my kids were little.
You all have a wonderful night.
Have a good night, kings and queens.
I love you guys as always, and there's nothing you can do about it. And sorry for the two parts live tonight. It's just that system didn't work out for us, and we weren't just gonna leave you guys in the cold.
No.
So we came back on, and I hope, even though we're under the weather, we'll enjoy Vanilla and I little 30th anniversary.
Yes.
Yeah, she wouldn't make me get off for not coming 30 years. Yes.
So long.
All right, love you guys.
Love you guys.
Sleep well if you're going to bed.
Yes.
And if it's morning time for you, have
enjoy your
a
day.
wonderful day. All right, we will be back sometime next week. All right. Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Good night.
Have a good night. Bye-bye.